So we are doing a connecting. Yeah, I said it last time. I didn't say it right.
So we're doing a connecting the pieces, and basically what it is he was walking into the car and he like muffled under his breath. The reason I haven't socialized is because all my friends bug bikes first, so which means I bug my friends too, which we think will make it so he writes that sequel.
Yeah, like that might be the reason he's making his another book. Because it does make sense. Yeah, that it does make sense because that's kind of like what the book is about. How he bugs his friends and they bug him.
That's how absolutely all the other books have been. Like when his parents were bugging him, he made a book. When his teacher was bugging him, he made a book.
And now, when his friends and enemies are bugging him.
Words of the wiser on that because it makes sense with the sequel. Because like if he can, but the thing is, if he did a book on every problem he had, that would that'd be a lot of books.
Yeah. So that's a little bit of a prediction and connecting the pieces. It's throwing up all that stuff with all like when Hick murdered the guys viciously, when Pierre
and the guy's fish by putting chlorine in it. For like bleach.
Yeah, so we're doing we have a prediction that he's probably gonna make a book about his issue with his friends. You think that's about it?
Yep.
Yeah, I think that's about it for our
101 ways to bug your friends and enemies.
connection and sort of connecting the pieces.